Google just rejected a candidate who could solve LeetCode hard problems in 10 minutes. Why? Because he could not explain how he would use AI to debug his own code. While some candidates are still grinding on the same old DSA questions, the smart ones have realized that FAANG companies are not just looking for coders anymore. They're looking for AI native engineers who can think beyond what ChatGPT can generate. So if you are one of those candidates who are preparing for FAANG companies or any other top tech MNC in 2025, then you need to watch this video till the end to understand what exactly is changing inside these tech companies, how are their hiring expectations changing, and how you can prepare to stay in the top 1% of the candidates. As someone working in the leading AI companies, I can tell you the major shift that I have seen in the past few months. The leadership is asking every team to integrate AI in their work to improve their performance and productivity. चाहे वो software engineer, product manager, या even admin roles हो, everyone is being asked to integrate AI. For example, we are being asked to use LLMs to auto-analyze logs. We are being asked to use Copilot to write code and add AI agents to solve customer issues. And with this shift, the companies are also changing their expectations while hiring candidates. Now let's discuss कैसे इन companies की hiring expectations change हो रही है. Number one, they are expecting AI literacy. अब companies आपसे ये नहीं expect करती कि आप एक खुद का LLM model बना देंगे, but you should know how to use ChatGPT, how to use Copilot and other LLMs to augment your performance. For example, in the interviews, you can be asked how would you use AI to automate this XYZ task. Number two, code reviews. While you can ask Copilot to write your code, you still need to be able to debug and review the code generated by AI. Third, they're expecting you to have real world problems की knowledge. So having just theoretical knowledge is not enough. आप अगर AI से अपना काम करवा रहे हैं, you need to know what will happen when that AI product, AI service will be released into the real world. You need to understand the metrics. You need to understand how to ensure scalability, availability, reliability, and other factors that are only present in the real world and not in the ideal world. Number four, problem solving skills. अगर आप कोई भी top MNC में काम कर रहे हैं, then you will be working on problems जो कि कभी पहले solve नहीं हुई है. And fifth, behavioral round, जो कि आपका last round होता है usually interviews में, where they check how you collaborate with your team members, how you communicate, your personality. All of these things are becoming even more important with the AI shift. Now, understanding all these changes in expectations, how can you prepare better to land a tech job in these top tech companies? सबसे पहले तो let's understand कि being a good software engineer is not just about writing code, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि कोड तो AI लिख देगा, but there's so much more like architect, design, code review, debugging, and also collaborating with other team members to understand requirements and dependencies of your product or service. All of these things together make a good software engineer. So apart from coding, you also need to work on these other skills. आप ऐसे सोचिए कि using AI is like using a calculator. To use a calculator properly, you need to have knowledge of math. Same way, to use AI in your work properly, you still need to have knowledge of coding, of computer science fundamentals, and all other things that were required before. So number one thing, companies are still asking you DSA problems from LeetCode for their interviews. तो वो चीज हमारी एज इट इज है. उसमें अब आपने ऐड क्या करना है, यू नीड टू बी एबल टू रिव्यू कोड. अपना कोड तो हर कोई समझ सकता है, बट किसी और का कोड समझना इज अ स्किल. सो यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस रिव्यूइंग अदर पीपल्स कोड और डीबगिंग अदर पीपल्स कोड. सेकेंडली, सिस्टम डिजाइन. जब आप जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, you need to have basic knowledge of system design, where you need to understand microservices, APIs, and other design concepts. So so that you can prompt the AI correctly to generate code for your service. Third is AI awareness. So companies, because हमें बोल रही है AI integrate करने के लिए, उसके लिए आपको थोड़ी बहुत AI की basic knowledge होनी जरूरी है. You just need to understand what are language models, what are hallucinations in AI, what is supervised versus unsupervised learning and stuff like that. इसके लिए आप free AI courses ले सकते हैं. There are a lot of courses that are provided by Google and Microsoft itself, through which you can learn the basic concepts of AI. Number 4 is prompt engineering. Of course, you need to write really good prompts so that you can generate the right code. You can ask the right questions from AI. So for this, you need to learn the techniques of prompt engineering and also keep experimenting with different LLMs to learn how to do it better. And fifth, obviously, is integrating AI in your projects and in your preparations. Don't just think कि AI ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत theoretical हमने पढ़ लिया, हमें पता है कि ChatGPT से question कैसे पूछते हैं, that is enough. No, whatever projects you are building for your resume, whenever you're building for a hackathon or for your college project, do integrate AI. जैसे जैसे आप AI को integrate करते रहेंगे, you'll understand it better, how to work with it better, you'll understand how it functions, what are the new technologies that are coming in AI. And इसके लिए you can also subscribe to AI newsletters or follow the right people on LinkedIn and Twitter to get to know what is happening new in the AI world. Also, आप अपनी preparation में भी AI का use कर सकते हैं. You can ask AI to build a profile for you or a website for you, or you can even build a resume analyzer using GPT API. तो ये 5 चीजें हैं जो कि आपने करनी है. 2 चीजें जो आपने नहीं करनी है. Number 1, don't write all of your code using AI. अगर आप ये करते रहेंगे, आप खुद कुछ सीख नहीं पाएंगे. Of course, you need to be able to review the code which is generated by AI, but starting में do try to write all of your code yourself. And once you're confident in it, then start using AI to help you in your projects or in your work. And number 2 is don't underestimate the importance of learning computer science fundamentals, जिसमें आपका OS आ जाता है, DBMS आ जाता है, computer networks आ जाता है. ये सब topics are still very very important for you to understand so that you can build end-to-end products while working in the top MNCs. So companies तो AI use कर ही रही हैं to get faster, to get better. But if you learn how to use it right, then you can do the same for yourself. The AI era has just begun. There's a lot more coming. So don't be anxious about all of these changes. Balki learn to embrace it. Learn to use it to your advantage. And if you do it correctly, you'll land a tech job or an internship faster than you can think. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and do subscribe to Polaris School of Technology. Thank you.